Yeah, hello scrappers. Yeah, I got this load of refrigerators, freezers ready to go. Fixing to run them in. Didn't take long to get these together, and I hardly got anything on the dump trailer. But called metal check a little bit ago. I think they said they're paying $185 a ton. So I guess that's not too bad for Oklahoma. But yeah, the wind's getting it this morning. 23 mile an hour, something like that. But no idea what it weighs. I imagine there's a ton, maybe 3,000 pounds here. Refrigerators aren't that heavy. Yeah, I got a two-wheeler in the back of the truck. I loaded them on here because I figured I could kick them off easy enough. A lot of them will roll, but I got the two-wheeler for the ones that don't roll. It's a little bit of work, but I didn't really want to mix it with everything else. If you know, so many yards don't take refrigerators and stuff. And I think the last time I checked, a month or so ago, they were paying $90 a ton down there at metal check. So I didn't want to really take anything in down there then, unless I had to. So I thought, well, okay, I'll just put refrigerators separate from everything else, because I probably could have had a good load here. And I've got, you know, two of my bins over there that are loaded down, ready to go, with small stuff. So I got a few things put on here, and then I might just get around, and I got some stuff down in the field I need to bring up. Got some old wheelbarrows, get them on there. But anyway, this is what we got going today. And I crisscrossed the straps on those two little mini fridges, so hopefully that'll hold them in place. I'll get up to Newcastle somewhere and I'll pull over and see how everything's riding, check the straps, make sure they're still tight. So I'm gonna get this on the road, get it done. It's supposed to be 79 today for a high, and then it's supposed to start cooling off for a few days after that for next week. So got a couple days lows in the 30s, but still above freezing. So we'll pick it up when I get the pay ticket, so, and see what it weighs. Any guesses? Yeah, I got 4 side-by-side refrigerators, upright freezer, a couple regular refrigerators, got a little chest freezer down there, those two little apartment side refrigerators, then this commercial unit on the back. So I'm thinking around 3,000 pounds. So I guess we'll see. It'd be nice if there was 2 ton on there. That'd be sweet. But yeah, we'll see. So back in a bit. Well, we're back from the scrapyard. Yeah, I guess I kind of overguessed the weight, but not sure if you can see that or not down there. We had like 2,460 pounds at $185 a ton. So we got a total of 56, something like that. 255. Yeah, 2,460 pounds. I really didn't think it was anywhere near 2 ton. That would have been way off. So, but hey, that's not too bad. All refrigerators. So I'm happy with it, I guess. I probably could have just put all the refrigerators on that and taken that load in, but it would have been easier to unload. Oh well, it is what it is. Like I say, it wasn't too shabby of a load. It pulled up there easy. Gives me some pocket money, cash flow. put some gas in the truck, and thinking about getting a couple of these propane bottles filled. Got a couple tires that need patching, but I'm gonna get busy and get some work done on some other stuff around here today, and see what I can knock out. Got the buckets of chemical from the barrel set up so I can make some more foam balls. So I'll probably make 10 or 12 of them and try to empty the bucket down, because I will have a little bit coming up here soon from those. Already drained 3 of them, drained overnight last night, and I moved those out of there this morning. So I'll let those sit overnight. Get high south winds, but that corner there is being blocked, so blocking the wind. So they'll be just fine right there. So I got all those ready to go out front. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. First load I've taken in, I think, this year. Really, of shred, light steel. Just been slow. I guess I need to put my business card on some of the Facebook groups, for the local groups. Maybe I can get some stuff. Cause I had one person send me a message. They didn't have much. They'd a bunch of bob wire, which is hard to get rid of. Some yards will dock you if you have a bunch of it. And they had 2 or 3 pieces of sheet tin. Wasn't much there at all. So they actually offered to pay me. I probably should have jumped on it, but I figure I got plenty to do around here. Worked on the boat for a few minutes this morning. Stopped and picked up a little hardware for those pole holders on the way back. So nice warm day today. It'd be nice to be out on the boat, but it's way too windy. Like 25-mile-an-hour winds. So, but hope you enjoyed the video, and give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe, and there's a link in the description below the video to my Amazon affiliate page. I have a lot of tools and consumables on there, cutting discs, sawzall blades, whatnot. Ones that I use that I think are good. So check it out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.